Hello guys, breaking down trade that I took today on US30 and got funded. Here where is market open, New York session. So I usually don't trade market open. I wait at least 30 minutes to see a clear market structure. Also we got news on this candle. After I waited for the news to finish and we push heavily down right here. We came back up, retested the VWAP and actually we rejected the VWAP right here. So this is a very good sign, for me to take a trade. All I want to see after that is a doji candle and then a flat sell candle with no wicks above it. So as soon this candle close, get in into the trade right here. My stop loss right above this candle. And actually, I usually exit at 1 to 2, but I saw a big volume come in, so I held it for 1 to 3 just, to get funded. Um, Also, I call this on signal room for 1 to 6 and it hits. It hits like right about here. Yep, thank you for watching.